So this is what I did for wiring. My gas pump is on a ground straight to the head, and my positive for my gas pump is this blue wire that goes in here. That's this one. As you can see, these are some household electrical switches and a detergent thing I cut up. These are my coil and injectors, which is this one. So I have my gas pump, my coil and injectors, my ECU, which I put a 7.5 amp fuse for the ECU. That's this one. It goes to this. So this fat red and black wire goes in this heaper mess, and it provides power to the ECU and all the power. So you don't have to cut up the wire in there. This one does all of that, and also provides power, I think, for something else around here. It sends power to. So these two, orange and black, are my coils. This one my injectors, this one, and those are fused, and then this goes to this switch. This my ECU, and this is my main power. This purple wire, as you can see, comes all the way around to this, to the positive side. Then I'm gonna connect the negative side, and this is my starter wire. So I'm gonna give it a test run and see if it actually works. This is the first time I'm trying this out, so if it fails, y'all will see. If it's a success, y'all will see. So here we go. Hear my gas pump kicking on. So let me, all right, listen. So right now everything is on. So this is my main power. It's on off right now. So let me see. So let me turn my main power back on. Try my gas pump again. Good. So yeah, if you could see it, it says off. Everything is on off. So now I'm gonna flip my main power to on. Try my gas pump again. That works. So let's give it a go. ECU, coil injectors, gas pump. Oh crap. This is like resting right on my timing cover. I don't want that to touch. So let me do what I did the last time, which was literally me running a piece of rope. Kind of difficult doing with one hand, sorry. So yeah. Yeah. I think that's good enough for me. I'm not gonna be running it for long anyways. I just want to start her up and see what's going on. If this switch panel works, as if this works, this is what's going in the truck. So yeah, let's go, let's see. What the hell was that? Oh, Oh shit. Oh, I thought I had an engine knock or something like that. That scared me just now. Okay, let's go again. Main power back on. Let's go. She runs. Finally ready, yeah.
So I can drive.
Yeah, you sure will drive this one for sure. Yeah, so there you go, guys. He's running. Yeah, she runs, she runs. Oh baby, she grew, she grew. Running smooth, yo, smooth. I guess she ran out of fuel just now because this is not the right pump that's supposed to be running this engine. So yeah, gas pump strong enough to run the engine. Yeah, she runs, huh? Let's see how it goes.